Hey, Mr. Peace here. I'm at Breeze Hill Elementary School, home of the Coyotes, and just got done with another amazing assembly with the students and staff, part of the AM/PM after school program. Like you saw on the screen up there, we were focusing today on some icebreakers, fun team building games that have some life lessons behind them. And the students really did take it to heart, had a lot of pin drop moments after the activities, and they were a lot of fun. Involved pantyhose and cotton balls, Oreos, toilet paper. So definitely some fun games where some were relay race type of things, and a minute to win it almost, in a sense. But obviously they put forth their effort, gave it their all, and had a lot of fun in the process. I always love watching them, getting to just enjoy themselves and really be themselves, right? And that was really the underlying principles that I was trying to really imprint on their hearts and brains, is to say, look, some of these activities we did, I guess like the central concept of why I did it, method to my madness, was to say, look, we have to take off that mask, right? To be ourselves, to be all in, be 100% real. And like we saw on the screen, the ice, I also tie that into the iceberg, which is generally on average about 10% above water, 90% below. But so many times we only show people around us what's on the surface level, right? Just that 10%. But the goal is to show all 100%, right? To shine all 100%. It's not easy to get vulnerable, to share what's on your heart. But once you are able to do that, there's this freedom behind it, right? Because it takes so much energy to be someone you're not. And I always try to preach, if we can just be all in and make sure that we're being who we are and who we want to be, for this planet, then your true friends, your real friends, are going to appreciate that, and they're going to accept you for that. And that always ties into the miracle idea that I really try to just place on their hearts each and every time I get to visit any school, any presentation. The lines on our hand with the letter M we have, and I trace mine always, but that M stands for miracle, upside down, W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, right, then we can go and be that light to someone else's heart and lift them up higher than ourselves sometimes. And what's so cool is, obviously not everybody got a chance to come up here and do the activities, but they were all cheering each other on, their fellow classmates and their friends. And they were saying, like, look, it's okay to see someone else shine. I might not have got picked this time. I might not always get picked in general, but, it's about lifting up people, right? And it feels good to do that, right? And, the promise they talk about here, the Coyote Pledge, is all about being welcoming. And I felt the students really got that today. And they were able to really discern and understand what it means to say, look, yes, there's going to be sometimes things in our faces and peer pressure to do the wrong thing, but we know what's right. And so we have to choose to do that, right? Not always easy. It takes a lot of courage. But if we're able to get past some of the distractions, get past some of the noise, and just focus on what really matters, that was really the premise of today's program. So hope it touched your heart. It's my last visit for this school year. I'll see you again in 2025, 2026. Until then, though, have a great last month here at Breeze Hill, a great summer break, and can't wait to be back again in the future. As always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.